Right, folks, very good afternoon. Somebody gave me this this baseball cap as a present, but I don't really wear baseball caps. I don't suit them, and it's got the signature on the side. It say "Run Guys" or something. I don't know. So, but it was nice of her. Brought it back from Blackpool, but I won't really wear that because, as I said, I don't really suit baseball caps. Maybe I backwards. Is that a bit cooler? Yeah, I just don't suit them, man. So anyway, the haircut, folks, there it is. Got done last week. I haven't done many videos over the last couple of weeks just because I've been involved in doing stuff. So there's not been many videos, but we should try and get back on track shortly, folks. But the hair has been chopped. Look, yes, it's all gone. I went to this new Turkish barber down in Brighton Ferry. It just opened. I normally get it cut at Craigie Clippers, but the women there, they're nice enough, but they take ages and they yap away to you as they're clipping your hair. Oh, now where'd you do? What'd you do? And now have you been on holiday and all this kind of stuff, and you just want to sit there. So the barber, Turkish chap, just went, "Hello, sit down." So I did, and I just went, "Look, I'm just gonna have a snooze, mate, because I'm tired." He went, "No problem," and he didn't speak, and he just cut the hair. Great. So I'll go back there and get it done again. So that's it, folks. It's been chopped. I look younger, don't I? I look a lot younger. I look a bit thinner as well in the face. I've lost a bit of weight recently as well, so yeah. Anyway, thank you for watching. Remember, always subscribe, folks. Thank you. Right, what's in the bag, folks? What have we got? It's a cake. Wow. Right, folks, we've got a bit of birthday cake here. I think it's from Wendy up the stairs. She was 70 the other day, and she's given us this bit of birthday cake, so I'm going to have a bit. I'll use a spoon. Look at this. Crikey. It's got wire in it. Goodness me, it's got a wire. Crikey, that could choke you. That could kill you, Wendy. Good Lord, what are you doing? Right, we'll have a bit of sponge. Here we go. Oh, for God's sake, man. Bloody hell. More wire. Look at that. What's she trying to do, Wendy? Bloody hell. Goodness me. The sponge is nice, though. So this is like, oh, excuse me. This is like bun of the day. Bun of the day. It's a cake, a sponge cake, absolutely delicious, nice and light. And the icing, nice and thick. Delicious. Apart from the wire flowers, which I almost choked on. That uses a mark for that. But oh, definitely delicious, man. I'm a big fan of sponge cake. I must admit, I love home baking and sponge cakes and stuff like that. So, not bad. So, we'll give this we'll give it a 7. A 7 on the bunometer today, because it's actually a really nice homemade cake. Very nice of Wendy to give it to us. Thank you very much, Wendy. So there we go. I'll just have a bit more. Right, we've got this here. What do we do? Game 1. Scribble. What do we do? I don't know what we do here. Prize £1,000. What have we to get? I don't know what's happening, man. Right, what have we got there? Have we got anything? No? What is this? What do I have to do? Match 2 symbols to win prize. If you win and find a ×3 in the triple spot, triple your prize for that game. You triple your prize for that game. Okay. So 2 symbols the same. No, nothing there. Nope. Oh, what's this? Nope, nothing there either. Nope. Okay. Try something. Nope. What have we got there? Oh no, vault in the case. No, it's not happening, is it? So we're going to the last one here. Nope, last one. Oh, yes, I've got one now. It's pathetic, isn't it? No, times 1. I never won anything. So disaster. Right. I never won. Just double check, folks. Make sure I've not won. No. Definitely not. Okay. down just a little bit. There we go. Is that better? Come on down and feel the pain. Without the pain, there is no gain. Don't she sings in the fire? She sings in the fire. Come on down and feel the pain. Slowly hurting once again. I can feel my bones. The liquid has gone. She sinks into the fire. She sinks into the fire. Right, folks, I'm going to say how heavy I am. There we go. Right. Here we go, folks. How heavy do you think Jag is? 11 stone.
Walking fast, walking very fast. Walking fast, walking very fast. Walking fast, walking.
Right, folks, I had to go back into the house. I forgot my wallet and I forgot my badge as well. So this isn't the badge, this is the Spiz thing that sits in the car. Remember the eye came off. So I glued it back on, folks, and we've got it back. The Spiz sign is back. Excellent. Well, there's a woman watching me film myself. That's where it goes. In there. That's it. Oh man, well there we go. That was a blast from the past. I found an old Hetero CD. I still haven't found the one that we recorded in the studio, which is really good. 5 great songs, and I really must find it, man. But that was just us jamming in the studio. There's a couple more songs on there. Really tight, man. Really tight. Excellent. So I'm going to go up and try and record that song on the 8-track now. Right. Thank you for watching as always, folks, and I'll see you sooner than you think. Right, folks, that's me finished work now. Just heading back home now. Just going to go home and chill, watch the iPad and and snooze. I'm tired today, man. I'm tired. Been having a bit of a tense sore neck. Just a bit tense these days, man. Don't know what's going on. Well, I do know what's going on, but yeah, it's very tense. So my neck's kind of, hey, what's going on there, man? My car just came alive again. What's happened? Right, that's it. Is that locked? That's it, locked. Right. Okay, so thank you again, as always, folks, for watching and putting up with me, and, you know, see you soon.